All right, guys, we're back. We're back with break 382, 4 boxes of Panini Prizm. Last four of the case. So the next break, which we're going to do with an NT, is going to be a brand new case. Break 382, guys. Here we go. Argentina, Sebastian. Stephen E, Australia. Leonardo, Belgium. Brian K, Brazil. Ryan C, Cameroon. Dan C, Canada. Brian P, Costa Rica. Victor L with Croatia. Jonathan with Denmark. Oscar L with Ecuador. Victor L, England. Michael F with France. Caleb with Germany. Jeff B with Ghana. Stephen E with Iran, Japan, and Korea. Henry G with Mexico. Ryan C, Morocco. Victor L, Netherlands. Stephen B, Poland. Cooper with Portugal. Stephen E, Qatar. Mohammed with Saudi Arabia. Dan C with Senegal, Serbia. Cooper with Spain. Harold C, Switzerland. Tyler with Tunisia. Cooper with United States, Uruguay, and Harold with Wales. Again, guys, thank you so much for buying, for paying, and for breaking with Wax Zone. Now let's see if we can continue the massive firestorm we just witnessed. Unless you're asking for personal CMA. You're looking for a personal NT soccer break? Is that what you're looking for? Just want to make sure I'm asking the right question here. Two, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. I'll have to ask Ark if we have another NT box that he wants to install for personal. If that's what Hawks is asking. If you're asking about the empty box, that one's actually already spoken for. But if you're looking for a personal NT, we can certainly, I think we believe we have one. If you are interested, let us know. All right, guys, let's see if we can continue the madness. Hey, why not? Look at that. I'm on fire. You looking for Prizm personals? No, the empty box, this particular one is spoken for. But if you're looking for Prizm personals, we can talk about that too. Laconga, Melee, Guimaraes, Young, a blue Contreras to 299, 289 to 299, blue Contreras. A Pavlovich, Molina, Furuhashi, Hatem. We have a Slimane cracked ice for Tunisia. There you go, Tyler. Little cracked ice action. Sorry. Fai. Rodriguez. Estaquio. Silver. Scores Clapino. Estaquio again. And Kacper Kozłowski.
Hey, Travis, we will be doing a non-sport spot for Ellen and Ginter for all those one-off cards. So it will be one spot for all, everything else but sports.
Hey, Wojciech Szczęsny for Poland. Purple.
You're going to hit all of them tonight.
79 of 199. Purple Wojciech Szczęsny. And Julian Alvarez. Silver. Okafor. Oh, dude, we're on fire. David. This is just going to get better and better. Andre Frank, Zambo Anguissa. Pink. These are not numbered. Iran's card. Pedri. Hrustic. Lionel. Sarmiento. Dumfries. Nikola Milenkovic. Silver. And Fahad Al-Muhwalad.
I'm confused. Did someone ask for personal, or we just talk about it?
Well, I don't know. Hawk said was inquiring on the empty box.
Yeah.
And then he asked, do you have Prizm available? And so I asked if I said we don't have an empty box, but we do have Prizm soccer available for personals. Yes. We have a brand new case we're about to crack open of that personal. Oh, not personal, I'm sorry, Prizm.
He said number 7.
Tyler said the big redemption's number 70.
Yeah.
Is that Pulisic? Is that Pulisic?
Tyler, who's number 70? I keep forgetting. Yeah, Pulisic.
Damn right it is. I remember. Let's rock and roll, guys. Borjan, Slimane, Gutierrez, a Kingsley Coleman. This is a hyper. All right, what do we got here? We got, what is this? Irving Lozano, Mexico. Yeah, we did. We got another one. Yeah, we did. We got a manga. This manga is a banga. For Henry. Henry, where are you? Gorgeous. Manga for Mexico. Wow. Wow. Mark Anthony K for Canada, blue. That is to 299, 284 to 299. A Score Club silver, Hazard, if you're American. Ugbo, Dusong, Mabry, Gakpo, Nicholas Otamendi, silver. Lauza. Wow, we're gonna start that. We're gonna start that wall again. Booyakasha. Buchanan, Anderson. Still can't believe Madakesh is on Poland. Nakayama. A hyper of Saad Al-Sheeb for Qatar. Here we go. Busio, Savage, Irvine, May, Porta, Huang. A red, Lukaku red. 332 to 399. Oops. A Cano, Olsen, Salcido, Ito, Antuna, David Ram Silver, Boyle. I think that's pretty much it. All right, let's see what this redemption is, guys. Is this base 2? Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Okay. No worries. Let's get it done. All right, here we go. Soccer. FIFA. We're saying 70. That's what we want to see. Signatures. Just flat out signature. Number 87. Sergey Roberto for Spain. Sergey Roberto. Don't know who that is, but hey. Box 2. Can't believe we got a manga, dude. That's our third manga, right? Yeah, we got a Gavi, we got that other dude, and then we got, yeah, it's our third manga. Maybe even fourth, I'm not even sure.
Not third.
2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Let's see if we can get another wall. Man, that wall of basketball was awesome. I'd love to see a wall of soccer now. Remember, we got to convert Tyler.
Made you stop and take a picture.
Yeah, you did. How often do you get to do that? That was sick. It's just crazy. That was the last 6 boxes. What the hell? Feels weird. Just weird. But yeah. But imagine, like, if we just would have shuffled the boxes, it would have been a totally different. Like, really? The bottom boxes were all loaded and the top ones weren't? So weird. Actually, it's not even top and bottom. It's left and right. It's 6 and 6. go. Here we go. Gavi, Darami, a Paredes, Hyper, a Julian Alvarez, Pepe, Arascaeta, Alvarez, Susic, a Min Jae Kim, Red Mojo. That is going to be the 99, 71 to 99 for Korea. Steven. A Silver Gavi. There you go. New era Silver Gavi. Al Shahrani. Stanisic. Ganda. Al Hadis. Flores. Luka Susic. Beautiful silver Luka Susic. I think it's our second one. Croatia. Luka Susic. Silver. Beautiful card. This Luka Susic from Croatia. What a gorgeous card. I can't stop staring at it. What about you, Tyler? Afina Guian. He said oof. I love messing with you. Speaking of Lionel Messi, I love messing with you, Tyler. Mabry, Gakpo. You gave me this look like, is there something wrong with the card? Damn it. Why are you milking this? Jordan Pickford, purple, England. 97 of 199. 97 of 199.
It didn't click right away. Sorry.
Bono, bowling. The bowling Bono. Al Malki, Sarmiento. Laudini, Vasquez, Raum. There is a Saudi Arabia, Salem Al Dawsari, cracked ice. Borhan. Kamiński, to jest Jakub Kamiński. Said Azatolahi. Nuno Mendes. A silver Julian Alvarez for Argentina. Rock and roll, guys. Nightbot is blocking you. You got into a fight yesterday with Carlo using your Nightbot and it blocked you. I didn't see Carla tonight. Was she not here? I didn't see her in chat. She only had the Lakers, though, I think. Oh, you said F off. I got you. Nevertheless, still love it. Was worth it. All right. So games start tomorrow, right, Tyler? Tomorrow's the first game. I hope. I was gonna watch that in football. I mean, Jae-Sung Lee, and we have a Michael Owen auto for England. It's got England. Victor. Michael Owen. A Bamba Dieng to $3.99 for Senegal. Phil Foden, silver for England. Montasar Talbi, rookie. A Mikel Orazabal, trying to say it the right way, Spain. US of A team card. Palistri, rookie. Torres, rookie. Gvardiol. Miguel. Silva Viña for Uruguay. Cooper. Lionel Messi, Scores Club. Baba. Contreras. Ugbo. J. Kim. A Ali Golizadeh for Iran. That is a hyper rookie. Messina. Some different names tonight. Plata. Posta. Al-Sheeb. There is Skiri for Tunisia for Tyler. 289 to 299. Elias Skiri. Kihiri. Sulemana. Saliba. Adam Buksa. Mehdi Taremi. Renato Sanchez, silver. All right. That was box 2. Box 2, guys. Box 3 coming right up. One, two, three, four, five, six. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Let's go. Find some more fire. Find another. How about a landmark? Or a color wheel. That's what we haven't seen yet. A color wheel. We've had some mangas. We had some landmarks. But we need to see a color wheel. What do you think about that, Tyler? Color wheel. All right. Let's get busy. Plata. Lang, a red Gonzalo Montiel for Argentina. That is number to 399. There you go. Loza. Hassan. Young Jong. Timber. Sasa Surkic for Serbia. Sasa Sukic. Oh my God. Sasa Lukic. Sasa Lukic for Serbia. Cracked ice. Oh boy. Garib. Furuhashi. Silver. Sergei Milinkovic-Savic for Serbia. A rookie of Gregor Kobel for Switzerland. Insert. Bennett. Johnston. Montiel. Dumfries. A almost hyper. Hincapie. Insert. Rookie. Ongla. Slamane. Gutierrez. A red Laren for Canada. That's going to be to 399. 164 to 399. A Ramsdale for England. Aaron Ramsdale, silver. Remember, Ramsdale always had that weird color. Remember that? Yes, it did. It was. Gabriel Martinelli. Jackson Irvine, Australia, silver. Lionel Messi, insert. And a Pelistri. Come on, we gotta heat up here. What's up, Storm and Norman? How are you, sir? 1 per 10 cases? Is that true?
Yeah, that's
the
hard one.
That's the hard one? Well, this is the kind of night, based on how we've been pulling, that this is the night it happens. Tonight's the night that we get a color wheel. We've already had some mangas. Our basketball break was just ridiculous fire. Every single box was just fire. Landmarks, we got a few. So now we got color wheel coming. All right, here we go. Julian Alvarez, Susic. Robert Lewandowski's hiding. England's Ledley King. I don't know anything about Ledley King for England. Victor L. Is that another England auto? Victor is... Where is Dragon, anyway? Kevin De Bruyne. Purple for Deutschland to 199. 147 to 199, Kevin. Ederson, silver for Brazil. Gavi. Stanisic. Ito. Antuna. Kozłowski, Kacper. Fernando Silva, pink. Masina. A Golazadeh for Iran. That's a silver rookie. A Okafor rookie, new era insert. Sulemana. Torres. Hatem. Rodriguez. All right, we got Davies. This is a hyper. Yeah, go ahead. Tyler Adams. Viña. Vardiol. Nakayama. Perisic. Blue Mojo. That's going to be to 75. 44 of 75. Ivan Perisic for Croatia. Check that out. Ivan Perisic, Blue Mojo to 75 for Croatia. Beautiful Mojo, Croatia. Congrats, Victor, again. Wow. Beautiful card. Bono. Darami. Hey, why don't you use your Huang? Vinicius for Brazil, silver. Netherlands. Al-Malki rookie. All right, that was box 3.
Poor Tyler, you're like...
All you have to do is bet $1 extra. Don't you already figure out that every time you bet 50, someone bets 51? I mean, how many times you got to go through that? I think Victor figured out your formula. He's just like, this man's going to bet 50, I'll bet 51, and I'm going to get it. Every time. There's Victor. Rings must have... You've been hitting some nice cards, Victor. He said I thought we were friends. All right, last box of this case. Let's see if we can hit a color wheel, and then we go right to the next break, which is 2 boxes from a brand new case. And then the National Treasures. There's a lot of stuff going on now.
It's my first time with Crow.
Yes, I think everybody figured out Tyler's like secret. 50.01. You got it. Estaquio. Tanaka. Ali. Bale Hyper. Tunisia. There you go. Hey, you got the Tunisia card, Tyler. That's kind of cool. Artiega.
What's up, ODB?
Golazade. ODB, what's up, man? Dude, you missed a freaking crazy sad day for you. What do you mean? What's the sad day? You're talking about Tyler? You see that crazy basketball? We did 6-box select. You got to replay. You got to watch it, man. Frankie de Jong for Netherlands. That's a red mojo to 99. 23 to 99. Pino rookie insert. Sarmiento. Oh boy. All right, what do we got here? 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 Do we have gold?
Yeah.
Do we have gold? Bam! For France. Bakary Sagna. International Ink Gold. Man, that looks freaking awesome. Who's got France? Michael F. He said, only. Still beautiful, man. 7 of 10 gold Prizm. Always nice to get a gold. Abdou Diallo. That is to 299 blue for Senegal. And a silver US of A. Garib. Benete. That was weird. Your hair, and you're just my hair on my arm. It's weird. Weird. Buchanan. Just saying. Ganda. Hey, it was so ever so gentle. Flores. Diogo Costa for Portugal. Red. To 399. Another Diogo Costa rookie insert. It's like perfect. Okafor. Anderson. Mbappe, Coop Miners, a Francisco Calvo for Costa Rica, cracked ice. Krustic, Martinez Cuartas, Scovolson, Saucedo, Danuma, silver, Walad. All right. Last stack here. Beautiful. That auto's nice too, man. Check that auto out.
It is nice. They take pride, man.
It's just basketball that they're just like, yeah, whatever. Even football's not that great.
Depending on who. Depending.
Like, you ask me to sign stuff, man, I would take some pride.
Like, I'm gonna do my best.
I would be like, you're gonna think my auto is stupendous.
What's those old school?
Yeah, those fountain pens. That's exactly what I would use.
Exactly.
I may even go way back. I may go back to like the inkwell and quill from a pigeon, and just do it that way.
Those Panini stickers wouldn't be able to survive it.
Oh my god, yeah, no, it would bleed right through them.
Good luck, everyone.
Last stack. Timber. A Taremi Hyper Rookie Saudi Arabia team card. Al-Malki. David. Vega. Bilo. So for Switzerland. Silver. Loza. Let's see in which. Furuhashi. Hayden. Rodriguez. Reina red for the United States to 399, 278 to 399. Giovanni Reina. And we have a Militao for Brazil silver insert. Silver Diogo Costa rookie. Nice. Gavi. Messina. Borhan. Hassan Afif, a pink, Nahuel Molina, Ugbo, Lang, Hassan, Young, Stones, John Stones, love that name. England, John Stones, silver, scorer club, Vina, Bono, Plata. All right. Recap. Red Reina, red Costa, blue Diallo, red Mojo for the Netherlands, De Jong, pink Silva, a blue Mojo Perisic, a purple De Bruyne, a red Laren, a blue Skiri, a red Montiel, red Dieng, a pink Orthabal, a red Mojo of J. Kim, a blue Anthony K, Lukaku red, Contreras blue, Zambo Anguissa, pink, and Wojciech Szczęsny, purple. One more pink that he just top loaded was Molina. Our autos were, there's 4 autos, of course. Ledley King for England. A Michael Owen for England. So England got 2 autos. For Spain, we got Sergi Roberto. And this beautiful Sagna to 10, 7 of 10. Gold International ink. And from Mexico, we got this beautiful Herving Lozano Menga. Congratulations, guys. We'll be right back with break 383, which is our final break of the night. Give me 1 minute.